been told something your entire life. That space is silent. No air, no sound, just endless darkness. But what if I told you that we've already heard the universe? Not with our ears, but through machines drifting billions of kilometers away from Earth. And what they recorded doesn't sound peaceful. It sounds unsettling. Before we begin, we need to understand something important. Sound is a vibration. It travels through something, like air, water, or solid material. But space is almost completely empty. There are barely any particles between planets and stars, which means sound cannot travel the way it does on Earth. If you were floating between Earth and Mars without a radio, even if a star exploded nearby, you would hear absolutely nothing. No boom, no echo, just silence, total silence. So then, how are we about to hear space? Yes, space is silent. Sound can't travel without air. But space is full of energy. Plasma waves, magnetic signals, radio emissions. Spacecraft like Voyager 1 detect this data. Scientists convert it into sound. So what you're about to hear is real, just translated for human ears. The first one is the sun. It looks calm from Earth, but it's vibrating constantly. Massive waves of plasma hum like a cosmic heartbeat. Listen. The second one is Jupiter. Jupiter is screaming. Its massive magnetic field creates strange radio pulses. Sharp, alien-like whistles that feel otherworldly. Hear it! The next comes is Saturn. Saturn's rings are alive with energy. Eerie crackling from its auroras. Cold, lonely, mysterious. The upcoming is Mars. Mars has a thin atmosphere. The wind blows across its empty surface. Soft, unsettling, like another world breathing. Now something massive comes dot. A black hole. A black hole doesn't roar. It resonates. Deep echoing vibrations that stretch across a galaxy. Listen closely. And now the empty space, far from planets and stars, where there's almost nothing at all. The sound is pure silence, heavy, empty, infinite. And now you've heard it.
So, the universe doesn't scream. It doesn't whisper. It has a voice. We just had to learn how to listen. Please like and subscribe for more.